So when one of your team members is actually a robot. Now, what if the robot was the team leader? How would that feel? And that's the part that I think is going to change the workforce. So when thinking about how organisations can prepare for constantly evolving technology changes, I think agility is the key word.
The rate at which the market can absorb technology is much faster than which people can get skilled up in it. So I think the challenge is not so much acceptance of the need to change, but making sure that change happens in sufficient time.
All areas of an organisation need to embrace a different way of thinking, a different way of evolving, and a different way of taking that opportunity that digital disruption is bringing and embrace it.
Having the machine on the team that's the team leader could make it a fairer system. I've heard people talk about this and say, actually it would mean you'd get a whole level playing field because the intelligence of the robot is different to human intelligence, and perhaps you won't get the same cognitive biases. It's a very different concept than having another person you can relate to.
There will always be the human ethics that will always be needed. I believe that intelligent automation powered by artificial intelligence will be a magnificent digital co-worker for us. The other important aspect is that it would become liquid. What I mean by that is you wouldn't need to be in a particular office or in a particular location to finish your job. You could practically do it from anywhere, and you wouldn't even need employees.
I think we have to be conscious as technology comes to a point where it can replace roles that we think about society as a whole and we get the balance right of where we want our people and our brains to focus on and where we want the work to be taken over by augmentation, automation, all of these ways that technology can step into roles. It's going to be constant learning throughout every age, every decade of your life.